What up, YouTube? I'm back at it again. I was asked a few times to check this out, so we're gonna. We got a little time before I'm about to go to bed. I'm getting tired. I wake up at like 4 in the morning, so come 8:45 at night, your boy's done. Let's make this a little bit bigger so we can do some subtitles because we're gonna get a good mix of Japanese here. I'm assuming. Do me a favor, go support XG. This is on a BuzzFeed celeb page. We're doing a puppy interview. I can't say there's anything more wholesome than these girls playing with little dogs. I'll be honest with you. I'm kind of stoked for this. Do me a favor. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Also, go support the girls. Always go support XG. If you haven't checked it out, go check out the mini album. Aw. And let's dive in and see what we got here.
What are you doing? Oh no! Oh, you stepped on your. It's okay. Everybody makes mistakes.
Hi, we're XG.
Hi, I'm Maya.
Hi, I'm Kokona.
Hi, I'm Chisa.
Hi, I'm Jorin. Hi, I'm Juria. Hi, I'm Hinata. Hi, I'm Harvey.
We're here with BuzzFeed and we're gonna play with.
I'm gonna start waving with both hands at people. Instead of when I see my buddies dapping them up or whatever, I'm just gonna do this and see what kind of reactions I get.
Bring them in. We're gonna surprise them. Oh my god! Your face is the cutest thing ever. You're so cute. Hi. Oh my god, you guys are so energetic. You're so energetic.
Go away.
Oh my god. Hi.
Come on.
Come here.
Yes, my pets are living so good. My mom has 2 dogs at my house. They're still baby. They're very active, but when I get back to my house, they become very shy and very quiet. They're so cute.
Amy's English is good. It's good.
Baby tiger.
Baby tiger.
Or panda.
Panda. This is my best friend. Bye. Go ahead.
Maya's English very good.
You're so cute.
Golden Retriever is definitely Maya.
Maya.
She's
like
energetic.
Oh, is energetic?
Yes.
Aww.
I love it.
Cute.
So cute. Cute mouth.
Cute mouse. I'm a mouse now.
Black cat is Jurin-chan.
If I had the time, I will go to sleep again. But if I don't have time, I wash my face first. Wakes me up right away.
Right away.
よくチサが起きた時に見るのがおはよう Love yourself. I believe that confidence will come naturally.
Oh, you're playing with my belt.
Enjoy. Just
Enjoy
enjoy.
the moment.
Yeah, just
Walk
enjoy
out.
the moment.
Walk out.
Work out. For you?
Yes.
What's some other?
Protein is
Protein.
That Chisa stays working out. They had those throwback videos. That girl stays working out.
We really love fashion. I've been liking tight-fitting clothes, so
Subtitles killing me. We really love passion. Fashion. YouTube. Fashion.
I want the next fashion trend to be that. Like that.
Oh, like these.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. My best friend.
Don't be afraid to try new things and always try an outfit on once. 感じですね、私は。
Okay.
そう、なんかもう一つの服決めるときにとりあえずもうトライして何でも着てみることが大事な。
でも確かにみんな結構さ組み合わせとかもさ。
そうだよね。
Don't be afraid to try everything once. Words to live by.
なんかあんま考えずに好きなものを着るからそれが結構ファッションを楽しむなのかなと思う。
本当にそのこだわれず。
I'm glad I went headphones because these squeakers going off right now, my dog would be going nuts. But boy, somewhere, I hope. Oh.
I wish XG's future goes well.
今だったらパピーを抱っこできますように。
意味はエイリアンに会えますように。
めっちゃいい。Don't bite.
Changed a lot. But Amy was so shy, super shy when I was first met. Now she's so loud and so funny. So I love that.
She was so quiet at first.
But you too. Yeah.
I wasn't quiet.
I can't see Maya being quiet.
Quiet, but you was so baby.
Oh yeah.
でもやっぱりいろんな面で自分自身さっきも言ったように自分自身がすごい子供から大人になったなっていうのはすごい
You have, literally, we've seen it. No doubt.
いろいろな面でありますね。
たったけど変わってない。
そうわかる。
なんかさ私たちの練習生時代のことさ4階の時ってよく言うじゃん、なんかその時に話してたなんか宇宙人の話とか、なんかそういうなんかピュアな話の内容とかはずっと変わってないから、それがいいよね。
I feel like we use girl.
Girl.
Or either period.
Period. And you always said bro. My bro. My bro. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.
You never say that.
I did.
You did.
A lot.
She said, I just did.
So girl. Girl.
What are you doing? Oh no! Oh, you stepped on your.
It's okay.
Everybody makes mistakes. Puppy interview. This is what a puppy.
Did one of them pee?
I would say IYKYK。
Ooh, that's a good one.
2ステップの曲が個人的にめっちゃ好きで、なんか IYKYK はさ、なんか多分昔っぽさもありながらも今っぽさあるから、そうだね。すごい未来人が聞いたらきっとね好きそうだなって。
I got you.
Maya says everything. I want to eat everything. Salads. Start with salads.
In and out.
Yeah, definitely in and out.
Hell yeah, In and Out. Come to Cali.
So we wanted to eat In-N-Out last.
Or Arizona or Vegas now or pretty much anywhere. But it started in Cali.
Last year when we came to LA, but we couldn't, so maybe today. I heard that the animal fries are really good. I never tried it before.
Double.
She wants to try a double. It's worth it. They got hot peppers now. You do your burger animal. You don't need a double. In my opinion, I think that what goes around, I think you're just adding another burger, some cheese on that. What makes animal style is basically grilling the onions and stuff instead of just having like raw ass onions. I'm not a fan of raw onions. However, animal fries is doing that, but on top of the fries. So they melt the cheese, the grilled onions, etc. You want to get two sides of spread. I do regular cheeseburger, animal style, and I go fries well. So I like my fries crispy. So they overcook them a little bit, right? And I just get sides of spread along with that. That's their special sauce. It's Thousand Island-ish, right? For the fries. And then I get a side of hot peppers to mix and match with the burger. That's my way to do it. A lot of people like the shakes. I don't really drink. That's a lot of sugar. I don't really drink soda either. So just the burger and some fries for me. Good to go.
Chicago pizza.
Chicago! Yeah, we're going to Chicago.
I was just in Chicago literally 4 days ago. Didn't get Chicago style pizza, but we do have places here like that. I'm talking too much. We do have one of their, I forget the name of it, Lumanati's. We have Lumanati's here in town, so we could get that deep dish stuff.
Really good.
I
Never tried it before.
double. Chicago pizza.
Chicago! Yeah, we're going to Chicago.
Yes.
Yes.
New York pizza's better. I didn't say that. That was behind the thing. I did not say that.
We do
Of
believe.
course, definitely.
We saw UFO.
Yeah, that's true.
We were on the rooftop like at 3 a.m. and we were just like filming the sky. We were like taking videos of the sky because it was beautiful.
あれ
That's like the
ま
most
ず UFO が出
The mothership came for you. What do you mean you saw a UFO? That's fam.
るっていう音楽をかけたの。
そうだね。
So we turned on like alien music kind of to bring the mood out. I don't know why we did it. I was like so scared. I was the only one who was so scared. Right? But they were all like, oh my god, I hope that we see a UFO. I'm like, no, please don't. But we actually saw it and there was a UFO in the sky. And then the next day, it was on the news that there was a UFO around like this,
Same place.
like Korea.
Yeah.
And so it was crazy.
あ、どんぐらいだ。
Juria's face.
Crazy puppies. 団子
団子屋さん。
団子屋さんいいね。
ちっちゃい頃の夢。
なんで餅作るのうまいからって。
餅つくのうまくはないと思うから。
Makeup artist. A boxer. Boxer.
ないよね。
I can see that.
Oh, yapping. Yap, yap, yap.
Idol bodybuilding.
Winner.
早歩き。
おー。
それが一番開ける。
あ、これもじゃん。
この一番開ける。
金メダル。
柔軟。
Rock and roll.
あとなんかしっとりしたアコースティックとか。
あー、めっちゃいい。Oh my gosh.
Guys, not in front of the camera.
でもね、実はあの子ね、さっきね。
She said that the puppy farted.
You can't get mad at a puppy for pooping and not being trained. You want grown trained dogs. They're gonna be a little less cute. But they play with puppies. The puppy interview, so they're gonna poop places.
It's hard to choose one because I really love all the lyrics from our songs. I especially love the lyrics from Shooting Star. Shut it up for another life.
あ、私だったらシューリングスターのAll the shooting stars on the back がもうめっちゃ大好きです。
You know the bombastic side eye?
何それ
What is that?
What? Clearly, they're not on social media.
Clearly, I'm not either. The bombast. What'd she say? Side eye?
The criminal offensive. There's audio on like, TikTok.
Oh, really?
I don't TikTok.
Like, you like
All right, I'm gonna clip that. That right there, Maya's face for this whole thing.
you need the sass as well. I'm getting so red. I like playing with puppies. They're so fluffy.
We got freestyle. Let's go, Maya.
P U P P Y.
Come on.
Full name?
Full name.
Full name?
会社じゃん。
しかも漢字で。
For the group chat, I have crazy aliens.
あれだよ。遺言名。
And I have Jurin as my bro.
ジュリアもさ、みんなのこと面白いことあるんだよね。
めっちゃ面白いよ。
マジで。
俺の
確かに
俺のひな。
俺の日が。
俺のヒナ強い。
なんだっけ、大間さんが入ってた気がする。あ、4次元な大間さんで。で、にゃんこたんで、で、ちーちゃんがめっちゃ面白い名前だったんだけど、ちょっと待ってね。マジで。めっちゃおもろいんだよね、一番。あ、ちーちゃんだった。こうちゃんは赤ちゃん。マヤはベスフレマヤ。
I especially like going back to my parents' house and spend with my family.
Love to shopping.
Take a walk.
Long walks.
ココナットがさ、最近さ、カフェとか行くよね。
あ、確かに。
確かに。
登山したり。
これすごいのよ。ひなたも結構一人で遊ぶよね。
確かに一人で遊ぶね。家でゴロゴロしてアニメ見たり。
That doesn't surprise me at all because she is an anime character. I like to chill and watch anime at my house alone.
外行く時もショッピング。
Lately, Maneskin, Halsey, Billie Eilish, Tiana Taylor,
Well, hold on a second.
Halsey. Lately, Maneskin,
They listened to Måneskin? Yo, okay.
Halsey, Billie Eilish,
Billie
Tiana Taylor, Lady Gaga. She's
My personal favorite.
my star forever.
Gaga.
She's queen.
自分を信じて自分を愛して頑張れって。
それが大事だよね。
一番大事。That's important.
Going.
And also use your time wisely. Is that like a sticky?
最近になってめっちゃ思うのがなんかその成長する過程じゃん、練習生の時ってなんかそれを一個一個なんか悔しがりすぎたなっていう自分もいて、だからすごいその成長の過程を逆に楽しめって言いたい。
I'm not sure anybody enjoyed that process. That shit looked tough.
Enjoy the 成長の過程。
そう。
Little guy, go! Oh,
Plus, like half of them didn't even make it the first time.
I'm sorry. When our fans, alphas, come with our music video outfits. It's so funny how ね、なんか自分のさスタイルにさ、変えて、
Definitely performing on the main stage at Coachella.
Yo, I still need to check that out. I don't know that I haven't run that on my channel, which means I haven't seen it. So send me good versions of that.
We aim to enter music charts in the US, Korea, of course Japan and other countries. なんかみんなでさ、一個本当にその一曲全部やってみま
わかる。
みたいなやつ
コレオグラフィーも全部
最初からね。
映像も楽しい。出てきもね。Like シュートもさ、シューリングも全部。シューリング
ファッションもね。
ライティング。
メイクアップが
そうメイクアップ。
実現できたらいいですね。
ね、そうですね。
Angel.
Angel. Yeah.
エンジェル。
白だから。
This guy is
Energy.
Ginger.
Yes.
Ginger.
Energy. Bob.
Bob.
ブラックの子。あ、すごい元気。
マイコル。
Jump.
Angel, Ginger, Michael. Which one? Which one?
マイコル。
マイコ。
How about this one? Sebastian. Ginger.
I like Ginger.
Thank you, BuzzFeed, for having us. We had so much fun with the puppies. How was it, guys?
That was awesome.
このポッピーちゃんたちは輪ゴムペットでレスキューすることができるので皆さん
Don't pull my blanket. Hey. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer. Our second mini album is released, so please check that out. Thank you, BuzzFeed. Thank you. And thank you for the little puppies.
Right? Wasn't a ton to it. Can't wait for more. But yeah, no, I mean I would probably get around to watching that anyways, but I got poked enough times that I was like, I'm just gonna knock this out tonight. It'd be a nice, lighthearted, precursor to me going to bed. Getting some sleep. Puppies. You can't really beat puppies. Anyways, go support XG. Go like, go subscribe. I'm tired. Like, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Appreciate it very much. It does help the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful night, day, morning, whatever it is in your time zone, wherever you're at. We'll catch you guys on the next.